we'll show you how to connect your LinkedIn account to ConnectSafely.ai. Let's get started. First, open your ConnectSafely dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the Account section. There, you'll see an option called Connect Account. Click on it. You'll be prompted to install the ConnectSafely.ai Chrome extension. This extension allows ConnectSafely to securely access your LinkedIn account. Go ahead and add the extension to your Chrome browser. Once it's installed, open LinkedIn and check if the extension status shows as connected. If it doesn't, simply refresh your LinkedIn page and check again. Now, go back to ConnectSafely.ai. You'll see that your LinkedIn account has been detected automatically. Just click Add this account, and you're all set.